Cool. There we go. I'm doing this really ghetto because I don't really have the perfect material to make these videos, but I'm working with what I got, being a poor little guy. So I'm using my little phone camera on a little poor little whiteboard with these poor little markers that are going to be running out of ink soon. Anyway, this video's lesson is going to be over cardinal directions. It's going to be relatively quick, right? You know your cardinal directions, north, south, east, west, right? So we have our little compass rose. There we go, right? Our little compass rose of north, south, east, and west, right? And it's more like a vocabulary on this compass rose, right? So remember in Western countries, especially like English-speaking countries and Spanish-speaking countries, and I think French too, like they'll have N for north, S for south, and E for east, and W for west, right? And then you got your northwest, which is like NW and all that crap, right? All that crap and shit. So here, though, in a Cebuano one I made is one for A, which is north, right? But we call it Amihanan. And here's it on the side, right? So north is Amihanan, from the root word Amihan, and Amihan meaning the origin of the north wind, or those trade winds, I think, or whatever wind that is in the north, right? Amihan. But we get Amihanan if we put that an ending, we get something called north, right? Or north area. Sa may Amihanan banda, right? Sa may Amihanan banda, somewhere in the north area. East is Sidlakan, right? Sidlak meaning the place or the origin where the sun rises. Sidlakanan is where the area where that sun rises, right? Because the sun rises in the east and then sets in the west. So Sidlakanan is where the sun rises, or Sidlakan is the east. South is Habagatan. Habagat meaning in the southern area, but with that unending we get southern or south, right? Habagatan. And then Kasadpan is where the sun sets, right? So Kasadpan meaning west, Kasadpan. So I think my grandmother once told me something like ang adlaw meaning the sun, ang adlaw gikan sa sidlakan, right? The sun comes from the east, ug maabot siya sa Kasadpan, and will reach or will be destined to go to the west, right? So mobot ang adlaw sa Kasadpan, gikan siya sa Sidlakan, right? The sun will go to the west, originating from the east, Sidlakan, right? Then obviously we have the diagonal ones, right? Diagonal directions, right? So northeast, Amihanan, Sidlakan, right? Sa banda ang imong balay. Oh, sa may Amihanan, Sidlakan banda. Dito lang sa Pikas diha. It's like, all right, cool. Where's your house? Oh, it's over there in the northeast area, just over there, So Amihanan, Kasadpan, Habagatan, Sidlakan, Habagatan, Kasadpan, right? These are just your cardinal directions in Cebuano. And yeah, it's really basic, and this video is gonna be short. But I have a bonus for you today too. So, and this bonus is the word maningkamot, right? So maningkamot means to strive hard. I've been thinking about people who are learning Cebuano, and this is a hard language to learn, especially if you're not used to thinking of a different kind of mindset, right? This is a hard language to learn. So the example sentence I put is sigig maningkamot lang, just keep striving hard, right? Sigig maningkamot lang, don't give up, keep striving hard. You're gonna get through it. You're gonna make it, right? So maningkamot, to strive for, to strive hard for, to strive, right? You're gonna strive to be successful, right? The root word is kamot, right? We get kamot from this, and the kamot means hand, like your hand, right? Why? Because you're striving hard with these hands. Just think of it that way. Maningkamot. Right? You just keep handing, so to speak, in parentheses or quote unquote handing your life, right? And then you have the maning. We have the maning prefix, meaning something that you're just keeping on doing with your hand, right? Maning kamot. Maning kamot. Cool.